How you doing, guys? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1956 Thunderbird. It's been redone in its original Fiesta Red, white top. Super nice car, guys. Car come out of California. I tell you, I really like them little scoops on the hood on the T-Birds. You see the bumpers have all been re-chromed on this car. The grill, all in super nice condition. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Car does retain all its original panels. I tell you, the porthole in the top, that's really cool. It's got your real wires. It's got the Continental kit on it. Super cool car, guys. The paint on the car is real slick, nice and flat and smooth. And this is the original color. It's got the 312 in it with the Fordomatic. Does have power steering. Tell you, it's super nice, clean car, guys. Interior looks real nice. Got the original dash and everything in it. The seat's been redone, carpet's been replaced. All the sill plates have been replaced. Just a super nice car. Door jambs, everything are nice and clean on the car. Also comes with the fender skirts. See, the trunk looks real good. The taillight housings have all been replaced. You can see the rear bumpers, the chrome on the bumpers are very, very nice. They've all been redone. Super nice. Tell you, the Continental kit really looks cool on these old cars. It's the original dash. It's in real good condition. There's a little crazing on the lens of the speedometer there. It's just from the heat from being out in California. Super nice car, guys. I tell you, the red and white interior really looks nice in this car. We'll fire this thing up. Fires right up. Again, it has factory power steering. It's got the Fordomatic automatic in it. Thing just purrs like a kitten, man. Super nice car, guys. It's got the vacuum wipers. They're a little slow, and it is cold out today, so we're only about 20 degrees out today. Sounds good out the exhaust and everything. Just a nice car, guys. This thing is just ready to get in, cruise it, and enjoy it. Like again, it's a little chilly out today, so you see a little exhaust condensation coming out. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.